Hi, incredible human beings.
Hello.
We are going to tonight show you how quick and easy it is to make body wash. Body wash. So Terry,
Hi everyone.
talk to us.
Okay, so first of all, I've got this container which is made out of this special plastic called high density polyethylene, and you can tell that because it's got a number 1 on it. If it's got a number 1 or a number 2, it means that it's high density polyethylene, and that means that the ingredients that we put into this will not eat away the plastic, and therefore you're not going to get any petrochemicals onto your body. So that's okay to use. If not, you can always use glass, but we're in the shower and we're all numpties, so probably glass in the shower is not such a great idea. Mm-hmm. So what we're going to do first is we are going to put some water in. I always put the water in first, because if I put the soapy business in first, what happens is it always ends up getting too soapy and too many bubbles. So this is just filtered water. I don't buy bottled water, so that's fine. And then I use this stuff here. This is called Castile soap. There's a couple of brands. Dr. Bronner's is this one. Dr. Woods is another one. This is basically a bunch of oils from hemp. And it's a pure Castile soap, so you'll see it's got the blue label, so it's got no fragrances in it, because we are going to add our own fragrance. And I would probably put about maybe 1/5 of the size of the container in the soap, and then 4/5 water. And because I like my body wash to be nice and moisturizing, I've got some vitamin E oil.
Great for the skin.
Great for the skin. And this stuff is all available at health food shops, iherb.com. iHerb, they send things all over the world. And just vitamin E oil is really, really strong. So just a little, like a teaspoon is enough. And then this is optional. You can put some witch hazel. Witch hazel is basically an astringent. It comes from a plant called the witch hazel. And it helps with inflammation and
oily veins.
Yeah, and
oily skin.
Probably about a tablespoon of that. And then the most exciting bit is you're going to choose, Miss Louise, what essential oil you want for your beautiful...
Amazing, look at that. And the wheels go around. So I'm going to choose lavender, please, Terry.
Lavender, that's purple. It'll be on the purple side. So you basically choose, here's the lavender.
Actually, I'm going to do lavender. Can I have a drop of spearmint, please, as well?
So, okay, spearmint. Fine. So you choose how much scent you want. Lavender is very calming, and it's also really good for your skin, and it does lots of things. Tell some more things that lavender does for me.
It's great for bruising. It's great for scarring. It's great for burns. And it's just relaxing as well. So I think if you're using this this wash in the morning, it'll be fine. But also if you're using it at night, it's not going to perk you up.
Yeah.
So if I was doing a morning body wash, I'd probably do citrus.
Citrus, yeah. There's the spearmint.
This is delightful if you haven't smelt it before.
Yeah.
It's delicious.
It brings back images or memories of like Wrigley's.
2 drops, I think. What do you think?
Yeah, not very much. The mints are really, really strong. You don't want to overpower the lavender.
So strong.
Because the lavender is very gentle. And then if I was a smart person, I would have a spoon. But of course I'm not.
Well, you've got one. It's quite accessible.
Yeah. So I'm just going to... And then what you do, you just have have a whiff. And then you say to yourself, you know what? I need some more lavender.
Oh.
Lavender's really inexpensive, so you can afford to go a bit crazy.
Go wild.
Go wild with it. Put some more drops in there. Lavender is a very generous plant.
Is that a foaming dispenser?
Yeah. It's fantastic. Yeah. So I would give it a little bit of shake. This will actually be better tomorrow than it is today. And then all you have to do is...
Oh, check that out. Look at that, guys.
Ooh,
you can even eat this. It's no chemicals.
So lovely.
So nice. Goes everywhere. Amazing. Look at that. Lovely. Very incredible.
It's lovely. I love it. Oh, smell that. Smell it. It's so beautiful.
That is amazing. That smells
Yeah.
amazing. And it makes you feel good. Look how happy Terry is.
I know, and it's all nice, non-drying, cleansing. In fact, don't even need to wash that off. I'll just let it soak into my skin.
Terry's going to get a bit of a face.
I'm going to use it as a moisturiser.
Amazing. Thanks,
That's beautiful.
Terry.
Thanks, lovelies.
You're the best.
See you
Bye.
later.